Manila Bay's reclamation project, along with the Dolomite Beach, as behind the widespread flooding in the city of Manila over the past week is a myth. If truth be told, the substantial decline in the volume of trash washed up onshore during major weather disturbances disproves all the negative speculation heaped on their presence. Our Isaiah Mirafuentes hashes over the details in this report.
Due to the heavy flooding currently experienced in Metro Manila, speculations have arisen that the cause of this is the Dolomite Beach and the ongoing reclamation projects in Manila Bay. But the Philippine Reclamation Authority, or PRA, strongly denied this. Instead of making things worse, they claim that it actually helps, not just to prevent flooding, but also to boost the country's economy. According to the agency, it is impossible for this to be the cause of flooding because it is located several meters away from the mainland. And it does not block the flow of the water from the drains going to Manila Bay. Because of the reclamation, Manila Bay has also become cleaner, even after Metro Manila experienced several days weather disturbances.
Kung mapansin nyo, previously, nung hindi pa nagkakaroon ng reclamation dito, mapansin nyo yung Ross Boulevard, yung sa Dolomite Beach, andun lahat yung mga basura. Ngayon kung pupunta kayo doon, merong basura, but hindi na sa ganun kadami.
The reclamation projects now filters the trash. There are currently 2 reclamation projects approved by the President. More than 600 hectares are covered, almost an entire city. 90% of land filling has been completed. Once the reclamation is finished and establishments are built, it is expected to rival the beauty of Singapore and Manhattan.
Definitely, it will be the new business district ng Pasay para ma-decongest din yung area dun sa mainland, which is very, malit na yung space nila for development.
The PRA also ensures that the reclamation built strong, with 90% compaction to ensure it will not collapse. Moreover, the PRA denied that the reclamation affects the livelihood of fishermen or residents around Manila Bay. According to PRA, there are now more fish in Manila Bay because of the said undertaking. And they are also providing livelihoods to the residents as they serve as a clean warriors of Manila Bay. Isaiah Mirafuentes from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.